Don't let the blue screen of death get you down. I will show you how to fix this problem step by step. So let's begin.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now type chkdsk space /f space /r space c colon and hit enter. Now we need to wait for some time to complete the process. Now we need to type this command c colon and simply press enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space windows and simply hit enter. Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and simply press enter to execute this command. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now type copy ** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in copy space ** space ... and then hit enter. After that, type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and simply hit enter. Let's execute this command. Type cd space windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply we need to hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c colon /bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space c colon / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib space c colon /boot /bcd space -h space -r space -s and simply hit enter. Now type run space c colon /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.